Sound of Swing is a 17 to 20-piece swing band. They play a combination of songs from the swing era, Count Basie, Louis Fitzgerald, that particular era.
Bill Erickson, former piano player, and I put this band together in 2002. We decided to get together, and I talked to the management here, and they said, okay.
One of the best things about the Tuesday dances and the band is the camaraderie, the socialization, and the enjoyment that people receive from the band and the music of that era.
Sound of Swing gets together once a week on Tuesday from 2 to 4, North Bellevue Community Center, and we rehearse, and people come and watch us play, and they dance and sit and listen, and then the second Tuesday of every month we have a dance. So then there's like a $3 entrance fee to get in, and then we play a full dance.
We've been dancing for maybe 16 years now. It's a great mental and physical challenge.
It affects people in such a positive way. It's just a lot of fun to see people come out and enjoy the music.